How to fix your phone link app not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. The first solution to such problems could be running the troubleshooter. So for that, click on the search bar and search for the troubleshooter settings. Once the settings of the troubleshooter is open, you have to tap on other troubleshooters. From here, search for Microsoft Store apps. Click on the run and then you will detect any problem that exists. Similarly, for the next solution, click on the Microsoft Store. Then after, click on the library which is on the left corner. Then after, click on Get Updates, or you could just search for the Phone Link app and then click on Update. Moving on to the third solution. From the search bar, search for Phone Link app and then click on App Settings. Then scroll down a bit and you have two options. You can either repair or reset. Once you have done so, just restart your device and you are good to go. This should probably fix the issue. That is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.